Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI builder form platform, which is Graffiti. So to get started with a quick analysis about Graffiti, one of the best WordPress form builder in 2025. Graffiti in 2025 remain the go-to form builder for WordPress users who need a professional, feature-rich form without a complexity. Its drag and drop editor make it easy to create a contact form, survey payment forms, and more. While smart condition logic shows or hides a field based on user response, the plugin work seamlessly with a popular email service CRMs and a payment system, making it perfect for businesses that want to capture leads or process orders directly through their website. While there is no fee version and a beginners might need more time to learn all its features, Gravity Form offers a reliable security and excellent support, ensuring your forms always work smoothly. With Set Gravity Form apart in 2025, its new AI-powered optimization that suggests way to improve your forms for better conversions alongside with your enhanced analytics to track performance. Developers love it for its customization option through its hook and APIs, while marketers appreciate how easily it connects with tools like Mailchimp, Salesforce compared to a simpler free alternative like a WMP form Lite. A Gravity form is more powerful but requires a paid license starting at $59 per year. So if you need advanced forms that just work and integrate with everything, Gravity form is still the best choice for WordPress site in 2025. And that is. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI power from Gravity platform. Thanks.